Hi everyone, thank you so much for joining me on my YouTube channel once more. If this is the first time you're tuning in, thank you so much for finding my channel, and hopefully you're subscribed if you haven't already. And the ones that have been watching me continuously, my loyal fans, I appreciate you guys so much. Please spread out the wonderful word that I'm always inspiring the world. In this episode, I found these antique trucks and cars, and that gave me the inspiration to do this video. Anyway, this is so gorgeous. Look at this big one. This is great for displays at a birthday party. This is perfect because we're always having trouble doing things for boys. Boys are very difficult. Colors, there's not a lot of choices, but when it's a girl, there's so many. You're open to so many ideas. So what I've done is already prepared the containers with foam. The oasis has the floral foam has already been pre-soaked. I did a paper mache and then I taped it. And there's a piece of wood so that the paper mache doesn't sink in. This is another truck and this is a car, and they're all lined up with floral foam. So with this being said, I'm gonna start with the smallest and then do the medium and then do the largest one. The flowers that I'm using today are your reds, the whites, and the greens. I have some black and white anemones that people are in love with right now. A lot of people request that for events that we do. I just think the black and white combination is so unusual. There is also some chrysanthemums. I think these are chrysanthemums or mums, either one of those. And these have a brown black stem to it as well, and these are cute. So the first one that I'm going to make, I'm going to do a combination of the red and the white. The other one that I'm going to do is, of course, the other one that I'm going to do is, did I say red and white? I said red and white. And then I'm going to do a white with black accents, and the other one I'm just going to do all red, meaning obviously the green, but all red. So let's start with the smallest truck. And with this one, I'm going to do a combination of the red. And if you see the wheel, what I can do, because it's metal, I'm gonna take the wheel, prop it up a little bit, and then put the greenery below it. I like the stripe, and then you have like, it's almost like the black and white. It's like polka dots. So literally this is coming out to be a little nostalgic already. Like the stripes and the black and white. And this coming out really cute, guys. I mean, I'm in love with it already, and I can see the vision behind it. Just the simplicity of it, the nostalgia of it. And flowers really, I mean, in any occasion, flowers are such joyous things. So cute, so cute. There's something about, you know, I'm always sophisticated and elegant, but I think there's the whimsy and fun of things too is beautiful. Can you imagine, even if someone was, like a kid was born, you can send this to the hospital. You can do this for a welcome baby party. Or just a first birthday party for a kid, which it's really for the adults, it's not for the kids, but still. Anyways, this is so cute. Now I'm going to start the black and white one. I'm gonna start with this. And what I'm going to do is basically take my black and white anemones. So pretty. And then I'm gonna go back and I'm going to do my greens in there to soften it up a little bit and to fill it. Isn't that pretty? So pretty. And look, it's just the simplicity of this, but yet it's so elegant at the same time. And it makes such a powerful statement. Gorgeous. And I've got a couple more stems. I'm gonna fill the back and we're done. Oh, so cute. So cute. And let's take some of that green and just go down here. Fill up the floral foam. Is that being filled up? Can you see from there? Yeah, it's doing good. The great thing about it, these are easy and they're flexible, so I can go in between without damaging any of the flowers that I already inserted. This looks gorgeous. So look how simple, just anemones with some greens. It's already such a powerful statement. Look, just the variation of alone, it works together. So now let me do my final large truck. I'm gonna pull all these aside a little bit. Let's get this puppy over here. It's pretty heavy too, so look how cute. I'm already like, oh, I need to have another party. So I'm gonna start with these greens. I'm gonna fill the truck. As you can see, there's a gap, right? So I didn't want to fill the whole thing with foam because then it gets really heavy and then it's not transportable. And take these umbrella ferns, one of my favorite greenery of all time. There's something about it that I love. Can't tell you what it is. Haven't really figured it out. Just because you love something, there's not supposed to be a reason for it. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna cut it up and then I'm going to take it and scrunch it up like this when I'm inserting it. And then once it's opened up, it does its thing. See, and it kind of gives it another layer of texture, yet filling up the container. So beautiful. You don't have to use the whole thing if you don't want to, but I think because it's such a large container, I think it would be nice to kind of fill it up with this. Okay, let me leave it so there's some room for the foam, and if I need it, I can go back into it. This red roses I'm gonna start with are absolutely gorgeous. And I'm going to play on the different shades of red on this arrangement. I think this is what's gonna make this a little different. And I'm gonna continue to place these roses. You know, it's so funny, I'm so used to working on my side that when I'm doing arrangements for the camera, I'm not quite sure how it looks all the time. But I'm assuming if it's ugly, you'll tell me, right? That knife, no bueno, no good. And I keep exhausting myself here. Why don't I put it away so it's out of my reach, or at least out of my sight. I'm just filling in the spaces. Look how gorgeous this is turning out. And then I'm going to touch upon my ranunculus. It's got a little bit of a brighter red. It's got an orange. It's got a little orangey touch to it, which is okay because once you place it around the red, it gives it another like depth. Otherwise, if it was all like one shade of red, it wouldn't look so interesting. It's like paintings. Isn't that cool? I'm not seeing it, so I'm assuming it's gorgeous. I'm gonna finish up the back with more ranunculus. Here, I'm gonna cut these because I know exactly the length I want them, so I can save some time. And these are gorgeous ranunculus. I mean, the stems are pretty sturdy. Let me go in the front really quickly. Let me see how this looks. Oh my God, look. This is why I have to see it from the front, especially when it's a larger arrangement. Because the movement and the placement is not always in the same direction as you think when you're working backwards. So, pardon my back, guys. But in order to make this really pretty, I thought it would be nice to even these red roses, like, right? I want to see them. Let's do some more spray roses. I'm gonna use all the ranunculus that I have. I don't want to waste it. And then I'll probably put a couple more red roses. And these are dark. These are a darker variety, which they match the spray roses. And I'm gonna do one more and call it a day. These opened up too much. As you can see how gorgeous this came out. Let me clean up the table, let me prop this and come back and see how this is gonna finish. So guys, this is it. Believe it or not, I'm very proud of this one more time. It came out so nostalgic. The cars and the trucks. I just want to throw a party and just have everybody come and enjoy this yumminess. Again, thank you so much for tuning into my YouTube channel. You'll find me on all social medias. Again, I am very blessed to share this knowledge and find it, inspiring to all of you. Peace out.